So in my slow cooker, which I can show you, I already have placed 3 to 6 chicken breasts. And all I am going to do is add in about 3 cloves of garlic to that. And about a tablespoon of sriracha or a teaspoon if you want it less spicy. I'm opting for less spicy here because I want my cranberries to be the star of the show. This is just the cranberry sauce I have made, but you can always buy it pre-done in a can. Or if you can find a place that makes it fresh, you can do that also. And that's all there is to it. So now all that's left to do is I'm going to place this on a high heat for 3 to 4 hours or until the chicken's cooked through. And simply to go with my cranberry sriracha chicken, I am going to do half a bag, and this is a 750 gram bag. I'm going to do half a bag of my corn. And I'm going to add in 1 can of black beans and some salt and pepper, and I'm just going to heat it up in the microwave. And it is so underrated how good it is. And don't forget that for your black beans, which is what I'm using here because it works best in this simple side dish, don't forget to drain the black beans because you don't want any of the liquid going into your corn. Proof that I've drained them. Perfect. Salt and pepper, and a nice little mix up. Now microwave for about 5 minutes in your microwave. Another interesting fact about this side dish is I actually like it cold as well as warm, so it's really dealer's choice how you serve it, whether you want it hot or cold. Since I am serving my dish hot today, I'll do it hot on day 1 and then cold the rest of the days maybe. Another optional extra for this salad is you can also do some fresh green onion as soon as you're finished heating up your corn and your beans. And if you're wondering, I prefer it with the green onions. And now that this is done and fully cooked through, I can tell because it's really warm, I'm going to add in my optional extra. Again, you don't have to add the green onion, but I find it offers a lot of great flavor to this dish, and I highly recommend trying it at some point, if not this time. Unless you're sensitive to green onions, because I know some people are. And that's how easy this side dish is. It's just a simple meal all around. So for those who don't have slow cookers, you can also do your chicken in a casserole dish, and you can preheat your oven to 400 degrees and cook it for about 30 to 35 minutes. And now our cranberry sriracha chicken is done, so let's give it a taste test. So I am just going to take a bit of my corn and bean salad and a shred of that chicken. And of course, we can't forget to put some of that cranberry sriracha sauce on top either. So let's go ahead and do that. And now let's give it a try. So I am going to start with my chicken first. I'm going to make sure to get a little bit of that cranberry fruit in. The chicken is so tender, and combined with that cranberry and sriracha sauce with that bit of garlic, it is just so flavorful. You get a lot of sweetness, but then you get tartness, and at the very end you get that slight exciting heat. I really love my recipe that I've made here. I've made it before. It is just so good, so quick, and so easy to do, and anyone would love it, regardless of their age, their gender, whatever. Like, everyone would love this. So if that sounds good to you, stay tuned. Welcome to my kitchen, and let's see what I am cooking next.